y'all? Welcome back to another freaking video, and today we will be stuffing our savings challenges, and this will be the last paycheck of, what are we in, March? Yeah. So quick introduction. My name is Tell. I am a local truck driver. Me and my fiance both truck drive, so some of the checks, well, the checks that you see are both of our checks combined. And yeah. Other than that, let's get straight into this video. Okay, sorry. I'm grabbing my sort quick real quick. I feel like I gotta hold my hand so, my arm so high. I don't know what it is. Okay. So, I don't know. I don't need this actually, because I could do it today, y'all. So, we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So today we'll be working with $159, guys. Let's see. Oh, maybe I should move that back one. Okay, there we go. So how are you guys? I feel like I'm talking to myself sometimes, but you know what? It's okay, because eventually my followers that love me for me are gonna come. Don't mind the nails either. My mom bought this new what is that called? Like nail set thing for at home. And I'm testing them out, and I tried the matte on like the orange and I hate it. So we're not gonna worry about it. But this is supposed to last like 2 weeks. And the problem is I never get my nails done, for the simple fact every day I'm dealing with grease and, you know, dirt and, yeah, all that good stuff that comes with truck driving. So, yeah. So let's stop the yapping. Let's get straight into it. So what we are going to work on is, I believe it's the 1K. Okay, we haven't started this. Yeah, we're gonna do the 1K first. I want to what's it called? I want to and this week, I remember off the top of my head, is going to be getting $24. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 2024 savings challenge had, I mean, not 2024. Oh my God, the 1K. I'm probably going to turn this into my either emergency fund or split it between, I don't know yet. So I'm not even going to tell you no story. I don't have a goal on when to finish this either. So it's just like whenever I finish it is when I finish it. But I know it'll definitely be before the end of the year. So right now we have 100 in the bank. 200, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So $264, guys. I feel like my 2024 challenge is like moving so much faster than this one, but it's okay. So this is the binder. Oops. My battery needs charging. This is the binder that I use. I got this in Spooky Budgets to do my 1K savings challenge. So right now we're working on Tiana for $50. So I'm just gonna scratch off the rest, and I'm gonna fast forward it for the simple fact we know what it is. Okay, guys, so it is $26. 16, 10, 26. So, oops. So next time we'll stuff 26. And then I made the decision to I think I wanted to complete the $40 one like next check. So I end up completing it all together, finishing it out. So yeah. So now that is done, let me toss her to the side. I think that's it. Oh, the 2024 will be getting $10. I know it's been a while since I put any money into this one, but this was a freebie. I believe it was from Reynolds Budgets. Yeah, it's not on the back. So let's color in a number. I'm gonna fast forward this too. Okay, guys, so I colored that in. Oh my god, my neighbor's dog. So now we have $15. Okay. Next, we're gonna be moving on to the most stressful one of them all. 2024 and 2024, and I got this from Reynolds Budgets. Yeah, got that right this time. So this time, right now, we're working on March. We already completed February and January. Now we're working on March. We're adding $65. Jesus, let that dry. 50. Oops. Oh God, y'all. 60 and then 5. So now in the month of March, we have 1, 50, 70, 90, 210, 220, 220, 30, 240, 245, 250, 255, 260. Is that right? Let's see. Yes, it is. $260. I feel like I'm accomplishing more with this challenge. I don't know, for whatever reason. Maybe because it's higher numbers, so I'm determined to like put it away. Okay, sorry guys. The young one is testing me today. So let's just see how much, because I'm nosy. So we got 260 plus 200 plus 80. We got $540 saved up, y'all. So we're a fourth of the way there. And it's only March, the end of March. So let's cross this one out. Next one will only be $120, so that's not bad. Next we have Christmas. And I got this from Janelle Ray Budgets, sorry. And this is the 52-week challenge. And when I'm done, I'll have $13.78. I might have a little bit more because with the 17s and 18s, I've just been putting like $20 up in there. I don't feel like making all that change. So we're going to do 18 this week and add $20. So we have 20, 40, 60 so far. And I don't have a date to finish this. I just definitely want to be done by at least like October, because I like to shop a little early. Yeah, just knock it out the way. Lastly, guys, what we have is our month ahead binder. I know it's not a binder. I've already explained that my best friend for her birthday wanted one, and I gave her mine, and I just honestly haven't got to the point of ordering the binder yet. So this will be my month ahead. What I do is I add $10 into my phone bill for right now because it's the cheapest bill, and then the rest of them I add $5 into. So let me separate these. And these trackers are from Sal Saves. I love her channel. And yeah, I just ordered some more actually. But yeah. So let's do this. Let's start off with AT&T first. AT&T, and I calculate how much do I have saved up so far for these. So AT&T will be getting $10. So far it has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. 80? Is that right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. Yeah, $80. I thought it was at 80 last week, but maybe not. 80. And the rest will have the same amounts. So like rent will get $5. And it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Plus 40. So I won't count the rest of them because they're all the same. They all got the same amount up in here. So let's do this. 20, 30, yep, $40. I just wanted to double check because the 20 was throwing me off. When I do my bill condensing this time, I will condense these down too because it's a lot of 5s. So we have $40. You're not finna count it. You're not finna count it, girl. Oops. I'm sorry. Plus 40. Car insurance. Plus 40. This one feels fit all the singles. Okay. That's fine. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yeah. It just feels better because of the ones. I'm like, come on now. Put some extra money up there. Oh, man. Sorry, y'all. It was 80 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. Gas, water, and electric is going to get $5 as well too. Plus 40 plus. Lastly, Subaru is going to get plus 40. So far we have $320 saved into our month ahead binder. And that's crazy. It grew pretty quick. And that's just with me putting $40 up a week. So this will conclude this video. The next video will be a little bit longer, but I'll explain when I get over there. So check out my next video. I want to thank everybody who watches, who likes. No comments yet, but I know they're coming. But other than that, thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and press that bell notification so you can be notified when I post. And bye.